Alright guys, got the jackpot upgrade, playing explosion. Get it yet? It's gonna be the mini. Pick minor. Dang it. At least it got the upgrade though. Alright. That's my first pot on explosion. I'm playing a giant cabinet. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty neat. Alright guys, second bonus of the year. Non-riser. Go 10 games. See if I can get a good one here. Coins. Let's get all dogs. Whole bunch of dogs. Wrapping chips for $4. Alright. Let's get a big one here. Dogs? Yep. 470. Dang, needed another dog in real 5. Almost on that one. Let's get a retrigger. Close it. Nope. Let's get a retrigger here. Let's get a big one. Dogs? Nope. Coins. $2. What the heck? Come on, do better. Coins? Nope. Missed the trigger. Coins. What happened there? Oh, bushels. $2. What the heck? Every line it's $2. Do better. Coins. $2 again. Oh no. Oh no. Do better. Pots. Nothing. Close it. Oh god. That's a bad one. I'll take it. That wasn't very good.
Pick a bonus.
First triple big wheel bonus.
Free games.
In 100 years.
Good luck.
Haven't played this game in forever. Let's get some multipliers here. Dollar bet. Always play this when I'm at Sante station. See if we can get a good one here. Nope. Ah. Come on. Do it. Yeah, there we go. Double, triple, blue sevens. What is that? $48. What to do? So that lines up and over. Let's do it. Let's go. Do it again. 1, 2, do it again. Oh, triple. There's $100. Oh, baby, come on. Do it. Take it. This bonus is fun, guys. Get those multipliers and win. Here we go. Lots of 7. That's $9. Triple, triple, triple. Hey, 5 more shots. Diamonds are out. Oh, bar. Diamonds are coming. I like that. Let's get another multipliers here. Bars. 50 cents. Woo. Diamonds are down low. Do it again. One more. Here we go. I'll take it. Not doing. Let's go. Put big multipliers in there. Top shelf win. Take it. Let's go. Alright guys, got Zeus free games. First spin 282. Get the whole stretch of Zeusies. Want the whole first row to be that white symbol. Do I have to press for each one? I guess I did. Yep, nope. Damn it, missed it. 1. Oh no. Come on, Zeus, what are you doing? Alright, no, we need the big stretch. Got 3 shots. Big stretch. Nope. 1, 2. One more. One more. Do better. Oh, we got retrigger. I've never seen that. Take it. 2, 3, 9 more. Take it. Alright, you guys think we can get 1 stretch of Zeusies? Right. Oh, God. Do better, Zeus. Oh my goodness, look at all those Zeus. 1, 2, nothing's lining up. Oh Oh my god. 32 cents, okay. Do better, Zeus. Do better, Zeus. Full screen. Bro. We need the whole first line, all white Zeuses. Come on, man. Right there. Ah. Are you serious? In like 9 shots, we're gonna make $4. 18 spins, we're gonna make $4. We're gonna get it, guys. 4 spins. Come on. Right? Oh no. Oh, this game's horrible. Do it. There. Oh, missed it. Hey, 0 Zeuses in 18 shots. That's incredible. $4 bonus. I thought I was recording this all day. Oh, little baby Zeus bonus. It's kind of cool. It had 1 power up with the bottom strip. Obviously, it didn't pay very much. Oh, well, this game's fun. Oh my gosh. Another. It's a triple grouping next to each other. Let's see what happens there. Oh, it's. Okay, we get the 10 pack in the middle. This game is being really active but not paying anything. That's pretty cool. So last time we didn't have any Zeusies. Go! Yeah, good start. Good start. Power up. You have to drop the coins. So this would be considered bonus in the bonus, guys. But you have to link up all the symbols to pay them. And we need the little balls to line up. Alright. Need something in the middle right here to link everything. It's not going to pay anything. Come on, Zeus. Oh no. This ain't going to pay nothing. It's going to pay nothing if nothing lines up, links up. That doesn't matter. Need something here and here to line up the sides. Okay. Ball, no. Still, it's gonna pay 50 cents right now. Come on. Right there. Down, up. Oh, you suck. That's really bad. 94-cent bonus. Okay, Zeus, do better, brother. 1, 2, hold on. Hold on, right there. Got it. What the? That should count. That should count too. Oh god. Don't do this to me again. 1. Nope. 1. Ah. Get it? Oh shit. Like $1? No. Come on, Zeus. Do better. Do better. Bonus, bro. Hey. Nope. Like that popping sound. Okay, round 2. Get a good one here, for goodness sakes. 2 power-up balls. Do something fun, Zeus. Don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk, bro. Drop them off. Balls. Balls, bro. Okay. Probably over 75 cents. That's probably good. Keep going. Yeah. Alright. Need more links. There we go. Got 1. What do we get? Lightning bolt. Lightning bolt. Straight through it. That's good, actually. Okay, now we need more links. Get it. Nice. Need one here and here. Don't end, dude. Do not end. Up. Nice. Up. Nope. Another ball, please. Balls me. Don't end, dude. Oh, you suck. Oh my gosh. That was horrible. We really need those balls in this bonus. 1, 2. Oh, this is gonna go. This got it. Huh. What? Didn't even pass. What the? The thing didn't even pass. That's ridiculous. $5. Oh my god. This is wild. Alright, one more. Got a whiff. Another whiff. This could be a 0 bonus. Do not zero me. One power up. Dude, lightning bolt. Damn it. Lightning bolt, you can get one of the progressives up here. Do better. Another ball, dude. Don't end it, bro. Get a ball, dude. Yeah. Nope. Need those balls, guys. 2 of them. Come on, 2 balls. Up. Yeah, that's good. Alright, need more. Need a ball. Keeps ending like here. There we go. Up. Need a ball, guys. Pick them up, dudes. Right. Up. Right there. Up. Yep. Up. Down. Drop them all in one shot. 5 and 1. Up. Right there. That was good. Up. Need more balls, guys. This one's looking pretty good. Need more. Can't end it here. Don't end it. Up. Oh, you suck. $4. Good start on this one. Oh, power up ball. How about lightning ball? Lightning. Alright, link it up, baby. 2 more of those. You might pay $10. Dude, don't fizzle out. Do a good one. Why are you doing that? 2 more balls. Balls. Power up. Down. Yep. Down. Yep. Very nice. Do better. Do better. Down. Yep. Up. Nope. Alright. Can I get a ball, please? Power up. Yep. Oh, wow. I saw one guy had 2 spots left. How's it going?
The power of Zeus.
Gotta link them all up and then get them all the way across. We had 2 full stacks, a couple of half stacks. 50 something, that's pretty good. Hey, look at that. Kept playing and did a good one. He's $20, that's good. Let's get the winner. Oh, I got the winner. $36. Heck yeah. The second spin Johnson. Take that. $37. Alright. How about a bonus too? Okay. Last one. 2 pots. 2 pots go. 4 drummer with some bushels. Next spin Johnny. Okay. I want to see. Let's see reels. See some big reels. Get a big shot at something big. Come on. Coins. Yep. Oh, bushels across. That's good. $24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bushels. Got coins. Dang, we had a pot over here. 3 wilds help a lot. Let's go. Let's get them. Okay, even better there. Oh no. No wilds that time. Dogs. Coins. Close it. Okay. Short and sweet. Alright. Plus the $10. Take it. Yeah. That was whatever. Still haven't got that 5th drum yet.